Sad story. The angry. Redbird been here for like... Come on, pig, get in the cage. Redbird been here for many days. Yeah, many nights. And me and Bluebird were the first guys he met. Yeah, we're the first guys he met. The other two first guys that he met were Whitebird and Blackbird. But they never thought that he would die. We never thought that he was going to die like that. Then he met Greenbird. Greenbird was quite angry. But then he met Stutter. Stutter was so happy to meet somebody else. He didn't meet Big Redbird because Big Redbird was his brother. Then he met Icebird. Then he met Greeny Gurnal. And then the last bird he met was Dirtball. He is going to meet another bird when somebody chooses the next bird leader. And when he comes back to life, when all the pigs die, we could have a party and cheer. And that bird's still going to be on our team. And that's going to be the next bird he's going to meet. Sad story. And it's true, too. It's true, it really happened.